In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host Lovable website 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll have your project exported from Lovable and live on the web with all the files properly uploaded and verified. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Lovable. Make sure you're on the official site before proceeding. On the landing page, click Log In. Choose Continue with Email, then enter the email address associated with your account and click Continue. Next, enter your secure password and click Log In. Using a password manager and enabling two-factor authentication is always a good idea for accounts that manage your projects. Once you're on the home page, scroll through your dashboard and select the project you want to export. Open it, then look for the GitHub icon and click it. Choose Connect GitHub. If a permission window appears, authorize the connection so Lovable can create a repository for you. Now, choose the organization or account where you want the repository to live. When prompted, confirm by clicking Transfer Anyway. This confirms that Lovable can send your project's code to GitHub. After the transfer completes, click the View link that appears to open your new repository on GitHub. Inside the repository, click the Code button, then select Download Zip. When the download finishes, unzip the file on your computer. Keep the unzipped folder handy and check that key files like index.html and your assets are present. It's best to store these in a clean folder so they're easy to upload. Next, decide where you want to host your site. For static websites, platforms like Netlify, Vercel, or GitHub Pages are convenient and include free SSL. Traditional web hosts with a control panel also work well if you prefer a classic file manager or FTP workflow. Consider domain setup, SSL certificates, and bandwidth needs when choosing. Now upload your files. On modern static hosts, you'll typically create a new site and drag and drop the contents of the unzipped folder. Make sure you upload the actual files and folders, not a nested parent folder, so index.html sits at the root. On traditional hosting, use the file manager or FTP to upload into the public web directory, often called public/html or www. After deployment, visit your live link and click through your site. Confirm that images, style sheets, scripts, and fonts load correctly. If something looks off, check file paths, case sensitivity, and whether any assets are missing. Clear your cache and refresh to see updates. That's it. Your Lovable project is now hosted and live. Thanks for watching and happy launching!